Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is our monthly IPSY unboxing. Now, to be completely honest, I did not realize that this month I had received or was going to be receiving like all skincare products. So what I'm wearing today did not come from this box. Just thought I'd throw that in there. But literally everything in here is all skincare. And of course, I'm not gonna be able to show that to you right now, but I did pre-record a couple of days ago, me using the products. And then I'm just going to like show you the clips and then talk about the product. So let's get into July IPSY.
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become, eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah.
Now, this first product that you saw me use is Pomelo & Co. It's a hair mask. It says Matcha Magic. It's a deep conditioning hair treatment. It has hemp seed and algae. I'm actually reading that correctly. That's kind of weird. I didn't read it, the front part of this. Anyways, so this is pretty good. I've only used it the one time. I did sleep in this. That's why you didn't see me rinsing it out of my hair. So I went ahead and did it first. Now, the only issue, I guess is kind of an issue with this, is the fact that the instructions don't really say if you're supposed to have wet hair or dry hair. I wasn't sure. I'm sure you could probably use it either way. I had already done my hair whenever I got ready to record the video, not realizing that one of these products was a hair mask. Failure on my part for not doing my research, right? But I did go ahead and damp the bottom parts of my hair and then put it in there and worked it in. And then I just kind of slept in it. And you could definitely tell that I had product in my hair. And then whenever I took my hair out of the clip, it was just like everywhere. It was kind of crazy. But once it got washed out, like once I washed all of the product out, my hair is very smooth, which I already kind of have soft hair. Like, this is my natural color. I don't put a like color or anything on it. And so really the only, I guess, harsh things that I use for my hair is a blow dryer and like a straightener or a curling one. Oh, there's a dog outside. Hey, doggy. We're still in a short-term rental and we have neighbors that have doggies in the backyard. Anyways, but so far so good with this. Now, you are supposed to put this in the refrigerator for like 10 minutes before you use it. The smell is like clean, if that makes sense. There's no fragrance. I don't notice any floral scents or citrus or anything like that. It's really just green smelling. If green had a smell, this smells very green, but I give it a 10 out of 10. Like, my hair feels really, really smooth and soft. So, way to go, Pomelo & Co.
Shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness. They turn on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they say, this is who.
Next up is a brightening cleanser from IPSY. I'm assuming is how, it's not VITSY, it's gotta be IPSY, right? Anyways, I really like this cleanser. It left my face feeling very clean. You know how you get that really clean, like it didn't feel dry, it didn't feel creamy. I don't even know how to say it. Just, it felt clean, like it got everything off of my face. Let's see, what is the scent? Again, it's not very like fragrancy. It just smells like cleanser, and it's kind of wild because I think we have so many products that have like perfumes and fragrances in them. This one doesn't have that fragrancy smell. I mean, it's not like 100% the best smelling, but I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. I do like the way that it made my face feel very clean, and I will probably continue to use the rest of this.
This is who I am now. They think that I have lost my mind, that I'm not big.
Next up is the Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Mask. Now, unlike the other two products, I have used stuff from Origins like for years now, whenever they come in my IPSY boxes, which is pretty common. But this is your standard charcoal mask. It definitely has that mask smell. I'm liking the fact that they don't have the artificial fragrances. This is so far 3 out of 3 of the products that do not have the artificial fragrances or scents in them, which I really like. I use this after I use the cleansing wash after using this, and I don't know, it just felt like my face was just like clean, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, it was just like a great base to continue on with the other skincare products. So I definitely like this. I think you're only supposed to use it a couple times a week, and this is definitely going in my, I'll probably use it like once a week because I don't want to like over dry my face. I have like combination skin, so like this area is dry where the T-zone is more oily. But this is definitely going in my once a week routine.
True, but they don't have a clue, 'cause this is me when I cut out all of the shallowness and everything I suppress to fit in a small frame, but I won't play your game anymore. So
Next up are these Collagen Glow Eye Masks from the brand Glowiest. These are called Sweet Dreams. Now, I really like these eye masks. They are amazing. They leave your under eye area feeling super hydrating. It says that you can leave them a minimum of 10 minutes, but you can obviously leave them for longer if you would like. You get 5 of these in this little pouch. And now I don't know any of the prices. I will try to link what I can find in the description box, but these guys are really nice. They feel like very like slimy in a way, which was kind of unique. Normally under eye patches kind of feel almost like a band-aid, you know what I mean? Where it's kind of got that stiffness to it. These are very floppy. I don't know if that's the correct word to use for these, but I really like these. It left my under eye area very, very smooth and soft and silky feeling. So I really, really like that. Now I did use these after I used the cleanser and the mask. And so I really think that prepping the foundation or prepping the skin before applying these really helped. Now I am going to continue to use these for sure.
to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness. They turned on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they saying, this is who I am. This is who I am now. I'm gonna let them talk, but I ain't following nobody else. How can I be resentful?
Next up are these sheet masks from IDE.AZ. So let me spell this for you. It's ID period AZ. I don't know how you pronounce that. I've never heard of this brand before, but they are called Gold Fit Mask. Now, these are pretty cool, actually. They're kind of slimy-ish, like the under eye masks. And again, you get several in this little box. But these guys are so cool. You get the bottom half and it fits so smooth. Well, the bottom part on my face fit perfectly. And then there's a top part that does just this. So if you don't need it on either of the top or the bottom, you could always not use that part of it. I always have a problem with sheet masks not fitting my face properly, but the material that these are made out of, it's almost like a rubbery silicone maybe. I don't know. Whenever I say floppy, that's what I mean. And so it molded to my face perfectly, the bottom half. Now the top half was a little different, like with my nose at one point, whenever I was breathing, it like clogged up my nostrils, and that was kind of scary at one point. I was like, whoop, that's not going to work. Anyways, again, these guys are really awesome. I really enjoyed them. They leave your skin feeling really nice. And then after you take the masks off, you just rub the extra product into your face, and then you just kind of go on about your business and sleep in it. You can use it as a night mask. But anyways, I definitely recommend you guys check these out. If you don't check out anything else from today's video, these are definitely a winner chicken dinner in my book. And that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know that I definitely love whenever I get an IPSY box in the mail and get to try out new products and things that I've never really heard of. Like I think the only thing I've ever really heard of out of this whole entire box is the Origins. The other stuff, never heard of it before. But anyways, I will try to link everything that I can down below in the description box. And if you have any questions about anything, feel free to put them in the comment box and I will get back with you. And with all of that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful afternoon, morning, or evening, wherever you are. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.